Apa kabar? Terima kasih. Sema-sema. Welcome to Bali Indonesia. Hi guys, welcome back to Bam's Travel Channel, and for today's video we're going to travel to one of my favorite country in Asia because this is very near to my heart since I have a lot of friends and living in this country, and I have also a lot of friends, my workmates here from this country, so I really love this place. They have a lot to offer here, from their tourist spots and hot spots, from the food, and they are very nice, kind, and the people there are very hospitable. They look like Filipino, their physical appearance and also their attitude. So I'm going to travel you to one of the best country in Asia. So guys, welcome and travel with me to Bali, Indonesia. So thank you so much. I know you will like this video as Bali, Indonesia is one of the most beautiful country here when it comes to their natural resources like the beaches, the surfing area. So just stay tuned and I will bring you and travel with me to Indonesia. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Just click the subscribe button down and click the bell so that you will be updated on my next travel goals. And also please do like and comment. Thank you guys.
A few moments later. One hour later.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Just click the subscribe button down and click the bell so that you will be updated on my next travel goals. And also please do like and comment. Thank you guys.